Fixing a sunken electrical outlet is easy, and in this short video I'll show you what to do step by step. This outlet isn't too bad, I've actually seen worse, but I can see that this receptacle isn't flush with the cover plate. This is caused by improper installation of the electrical box inside the wall, which is not easy to fix. Instead, to help adjust the positioning of the receptacle, I'll use these plastic spacers. And I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. These spacers are sectioned off, so I can fold them on top of each other to make them thicker. I've actually seen outlets so bad that I needed 2 or 3 sections. Okay, to get started, I'll shut off power to this room. Then I'll use a flathead screwdriver to take off the cover plate. And lately I've been using these insulated screwdrivers even though I know the power is off. Now I'll loosen the top and bottom mounting screws. Just loosen these a little bit without taking them all the way out. What I'm doing is creating room for the spacers. For this outlet, I'm only going to need one piece, and these can easily be torn off. Now just slide the plastic spacer behind the receptacle and onto the screw. If it's tough to get in, just loosen the screw a little bit more. And it's possible that one end might need more spacers than the other. Now just tighten the screws to the receptacle and they'll hold those spacers in place. Last thing to do is reattach the cover plate. Sunken in outlets are mainly a cosmetic issue, but they can be a hazard and code violation if they're really offset. And now you can see that the receptacle is flush with the cover plate like it's supposed to be. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.